بسم الله وسبحان الله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم وقال سبحانه وتعالى وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون صدق الله العظيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته everyone.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I hope everyone is well, fit and fine, and we've enjoyed the homeworks from the last week. I can see, alhamdulillah, there's a lot. There were a few brothers and sisters who were engaging in conversation earlier, which is fantastic. Always nice to see. So we're starting from page 33. I believe we have not done this exercise. Is there anyone else who's got a different opinion? I believe we haven't done this. If we have, please do let me know. I'm just going to quickly run over the rules that we done last week, inshallah, very, very quickly. So we spoke about proper nouns, the fact that male proper nouns, naming words, they will have a double rafa', double dhamma at the end, and then there are exceptions. And then you have the female names, which they have a small ta at the end with a single rafa', but you will also have the exceptions. We did also come across in the last couple of lessons those prefixes or huruful jar. Those words, when added before any noun, they give the ending a jar, meaning a kasra. Okay, so therefore those words are fi, ala, which is the first ones you learned, and within the last week we have learned two more, which are min and ila. Okay, if for some reason you don't hear me clearly, please do say so by texting in the chat box, and I will repeat or clarify again anything which requires further elaboration, inshallah. Okay. So here we learnt min and ila, from and to. Okay. We're now going to go on, inshallah, and start from page 33. Okay, which is questions. So answering the following questions. So we won't necessarily look at the actual text itself. I just want you to try and make up the answers. Fairly simple, not too hard, inshallah. So I'll do the first one. So min aina anta, from where are you? As in, where are you from? So you could say ana min al Ingilterra, or ana min al Hindi, or ana min al Yaban. Although I think that's a bit far-fetched because we have no one here from Japan. But I want you to be imaginative. The whole point of learning languages is the more imagination you use, the greater the skill will be, inshallah, in the near future, and so on and so forth. So if those of you who would like to, inshallah, participate by going through the comprehensions, because we've got quite a few coming up, please write or text your names in the chat box, inshallah, and then we can then go through each one accordingly. So if you can text your names in the chat box as we go through the comprehensions, and inshallah, Brother Reis will call out your names. Jazakallah khair.
Okay, assalamu alaikum, everyone. So I think we have the usual suspects going for it first, which is, alhamdulillah, really good to know, right? I'm sure the other students will join us shortly. I think they're just doing Maghrib and things like that. But look, let's go with Sister Faryal and followed by Kashmira, and we see where we go from there, right?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
So, you know, I was thinking, how am I going to be the first one? They're going to say, although she writes the name, and sometimes I'm hesitant to send my name. I want others to take part as well. But if
Please
they don't,
so.
I love to read, and it helps me for my pronunciation.
Very good.
So, min aina anta, min is from, yeah. Or where are you from, or from where are you? Which is the right translation? Where are you from?
I guess if you did it word for word, let's try this, shall we? So min,
Okay.
where's min?
Min is where? No, from.
From. Aina.
From. Aina, where?
Yeah, and anta.
Anta, you. It's for male.
Yeah, it's from male, and literally taking it from word by word, it means from, where are you?
Are you? Okay.
Some people actually speak like that, right? Very posh people speak like that, right? But
yes.
there you go.
Okay, from.
So how would if I asked you that?
I'm in Pakistan.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
I guess there's no pa, is there, right? Pa in
I said ba.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
And min Harrow, or what can I say?
Yeah.
Or
you're from Harrow.
yes.
So am I. Mashallah, well done.
Mashallah.
Small world, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't tell me you live in HA1 or HA2.
HA1, yes. Sorry, guys, this is a social discussion here, right? In the
Okay.
lesson. We're recording this, right?
Okay,
so
sorry.
That's fine.
Okay. أنا من Pakistan. No?
Yeah, I guess you're right. But I suppose when you say min, the following word becomes what kind of ending?
أنا من Pakistani.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
nice.
Because this is when they come, I don't know what you call them, harf jar. No, when you have these ones, the last word has a kasra at the bottom. That one, when you these are pronouns, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Mashallah, well done. Exactly that. Okay, so Sister Kashmira, I think she would like to go for the next line and then answer the next line.
Man minasini.
Oh, Sister Kashmira, can you do the next one? This one is with the hand on it.
Okay. Anta minal Philippine. I am from Philippines.
Okay, there's a little at the beginning. Anta.
Anta.
What does at the beginning do to the?
It's a question. Are you from Philippines?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes, that is the question it's asking.
That's right. So how would you answer it if somebody asked you that?
Ana. Anta Philippine.
Ana is
Antum Philippine.
If it's you, I would say so you say Ana, which is I. Yeah. And how would you say from? I am from. Ana min
Philippine.
If you were from there, you could say that. Yeah. No, what about the ending?
Here.
So just one point here, Sister Kashmir, if you remember earlier on in the book, we discussed that when comes, the answer will always be na'am or la, just to make it easier. So either you're testifying to the fact or you're going against it. So if you're going for na'am, then na, and then so forth, so on and so forth.
La, Ana, no, I am not from Philippines. So from min Philippines.
So you said la already, so that means no. So that point's clear, but then you want to make further clarification. So you would say you're from
Hind.
Yeah, so you would say Ana, which you've said already, and from?
Hind. From is min.
Yeah, so if you say all in Arabic.
Sorry?
If you say all that in Arabic, no, I am from Hind.
Hind. So, la min Hind.
Ana as in I.
Hind.
Yes, Ana min al-Hindi, yes.
Minal, it will be minal?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so I think we'll Brother Stephen, do you want to have a go? How do you feel about having to go at the next line? Stephen, do you want to try?
I'm in the van at the moment. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm in the van with the children. I didn't think I could join today, but I am listening. So,
okay. No problem.
I'm sorry. I'm listening. Yeah?
All right. All right.
Jazakallah. Jazakallah.
Okay, so what we can do, we can alternate between Sister Faryal and Kashmir until others join us, right? So, Sister Faryal, you go ahead with the next one.
Okay, it is. Hand is there. Okay. Man min as-Sini. Who is from China?
That's right. Man is who, right?
Yeah, because ma is for the things and man is for humans.
Man. Who is from China?
I don't know. I don't know how to answer it. Man min as-Sini, who is from China. Brother Ibrar min as-Sini.
Yeah. Okay, we can go with that.
I couldn't think of any name right now.
Yeah, that's fine. Alhamdulillah, that's fine. Yeah, exactly.
So you could say Akhi, whoever, Minasini. So do you want to retry that again, sister?
Akhi Ibrar Minasini.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Good. Okay. So, Sister Kashmira, would you like to try the next one?
Min aina Hamidun. Is that where is Hamid?
Yeah, so let's do word by word. So min. What is min again?
Min from.
From. Aina.
Where?
From where?
Where is Hamid?
Yeah, absolutely. How would you answer that?
Hamid min Philistine.
Okay.
So, yeah, sorry, just to add to that. So just ensure that the endings of the words are clear, because that then shows me your level of understanding. So it's very important. I mean, among Arabs, you will probably find they might say Philistine, Hamid, but because we're learning the rules, so it's important we say the endings. So Hamid Minasin, you said, but Hamid.
Midun.
Good. Hamidun. And then next one, Min
Philistine.
Min Philistine. That's fine. Yeah. Great. Okay. Sister Faryal, you got a quick question?
I was just reading it. It says Man Minasini, and under that is Bit Aina Hamidun. So one is Man and one is Min.
Yes.
Is there a rule going to come in the future? Does Man mean why they're different?
So are you asking what's the difference between Man and Min?
Yeah.
So Man, as you mentioned earlier,
Yes.
is a question in relation to who. Yeah. Min is just a prefix, a huruful jar, which comes before any noun to give the ending a jar, a kasra.
So it will have kasra all the time?
Yes, when min comes before any noun.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, we have now got a few more new joiners with us, which is alhamdulillah, very good. So I think let's pick some people from who haven't had a chance. So Sister Zaida, followed by Zain, then followed by Zainab, in that order, right? So let's please go ahead.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. This is a hard one. Aina dhahaba Abbasun. Huwa dhahaba illa mudiri.
Okay, so for the benefit of everyone, please, can you translate word by word and then explain your answer?
Where did Abbas go? Where did Abbas go? He went to the head teacher.
Good.
So you could just say dhahaba ila al-mudiri. You don't need to say huwa.
Okay.
Yeah, but again, I will explain that why it is at a later stage, inshallah. So you could just say dhahaba ila al-mudiri. He has gone ila to al-mudiri. He's got a jar because of the ila to the principal or the head teacher. Okay.
Okay, so let's if you can do Brother Zain, please go ahead with the next one.
Okay. أذهب علي إلى المدير. Has Ali gone to the teacher as well? Is it as well? Has Ali gone to the teacher? نعم. علي ذهب إلى المدير.
Yeah, good. Good. Well done.
So, sorry, just one question here. So obviously in English we use as well. So would it, in Arabic, do we translate it? ذهب, or is it just has Ali gone to the teacher? You don't need as well. Or is it a different rule?
Open question, I'll ask anyone. What is the word for as well in Arabic? Anyone?
You can use nam or la before that. If you want to say that he went to the mudir, you can say nam, he went to the mudir, or la, he didn't go to the mudir.
So nam or la would add a certain level of emphasis, but as well, it doesn't quite give that translation. So the word in Arabic that they use is aydan.
Oh, I don't know.
Alif, ya, dad, and then alif. Aydan. Yani, you could say ذهب علي وحامد إلى المدير أيضا. Or you could, rephrase that. Okay, so أيضا means as well, but that isn't here. We will come across that, inshallah. Okay, so question number 2, nice and easy. So again, the rules that we've learned, I just want you to read it correctly, translate it very quickly by showing the endings clear. So al-ghurfatu, the room. Nice and easy. Next one. Okay, so if you can put your names in the chat box, inshallah, one by one, your names will call out. Jazakallah.
Okay, so I think everyone can have a go at it, maybe one line at a time, right? Or in fact, two words from that, 2 words from this. So I think let's go first to Zainab. Zainab, would you like to have a go?
The first one.
First
one, no? Al-Ghurfatu.
Good.
The room.
The room. Great. Can you do the next one for me, please?
Minal Ghurfati.
Very good. Yeah, and you picked up on because the min is there, and you finish with a kasra at the end, right? Fantastic. Okay, so let's go back to the top of the list. Sister Frayal, would you like to try the next 2 words?
Minal hammami, from the hammam, washroom, and al-mirhadu, the toilet.
Sister, could you just confirm what you said for hammam? What was the translation?
I know in is fi, on Allah, from, and to Allah. Okay. Min al hammami. So min is from.
Yep.
From the washroom.
Yeah, washroom, bathroom, restroom. There's also options there.
Okay. Al-mirhadu, al-mirhadu, the toilet.
Great. Fantastic. Okay, so Sister Kashmira, please go ahead with the next 2 words.
Ilal mirhaz. Ila is 2.
Sister Kashmira, try and make sure you read the ending of the words. Very important. So you're indicating what the ending is. So if we're going according to the rules that we've learned so far, that by default, the position is that all words either have a double rafa or single. But sometimes that will change into a jar, which we're currently learning. So please do clarify that. Jazakallah.
Ilal mirhati.
Yes, well done. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so Sister Zaida, would you like to try the next 2 words?
I've forgotten that meaning, but mirhati.
Okay, so that is going to the toilet. Yeah.
Al-Yabanu, فلبني لبنو الفلبنو
الفلبينو.
الفلبينو.
Yeah, so just imagine baked beans. Al-Filibino, beans.
I kept thinking of Philippines and it's not quite coming up.
Yeah, so Al-Filibino.
Well, it's Japan and Philippines. The Japan and the Philippines. Min al-Hindi from India ila Sini to China.
Yeah, China. Asini.
Okay.
Good, well done.
Alhamdulillah. Now, next challenge, nice and quick. We've got 5 questions, so we need whoever wants to come on to put your names in and try and read and translate as quick as possible, inshallah. So question 3, read and write, but we're going to read and translate, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, right. So let's go for next person. Let's go for Brother Zain. Would you like to try the next one? The whole sentence and translate.
Min aina Fatimatu hiya min al-Hindi. From where is Fatima? Hiya min al-Hindi. She's from India.
Great. Well done, Brother Zain. Okay, next one. So let's go for who hasn't had a chance yet, had a go yet. What about Sister Zaida? Would you like to try the next time?
خرج المدرس من الفصل وذهب إلى مديري.
Okay, can we translate that?
That's kharaja is to come. Is it?
More, I guess, going somewhere. You're going, just left. You left.
Yes, yes. To leave.
Yeah, he left. Where did they leave from?
He left the school from the class. No. The teacher left from the classroom and went to the principal.
Yes, very nice. Very good. There's a lot of words in there, right? Yeah. So mashallah, really good. Okay. So let's keep going. Okay, I think we're going back to, wonder who's missed out, anybody? Sister Kashmira, I'd like you to have a go.
Zahabat tajiru ila dukani. Tajiru is the businessman, and Dukan is the shop.
Zahaba. What is Zahaba?
Where is?
Well, it's more of, but you got kharaja and you have Zahaba. Kharaja when someone just leaves, but Zahaba when they go somewhere, right? So the businessman has gone somewhere, right?
The shopkeeper has gone to the shop.
That's right. Exactly that. Yeah. Excellent. MashaAllah, really good. Okay, so who else is not hasn't had a try yet? Let's try Sister Faryal, would you like to try the next one?
Yeah, I was thinking I'm going to start there, isn't it? Okay. Okay. خرج حامد من الغرفة وذهب إلى الحمام. So kharaja حامد من الغرفة. Kharaja means because kharaja was went and zaba was gone. So kharaja. So how to put it in the way kharaja? Hamid went out from the room, or Hamid left the room?
That's like kharaja when you leave. Yes.
Okay, leave. So kharaja Hamid min al-ghurfati. Hamid left from the room, and وذهب إلى الحمام, and he's gone to the washroom.
Yes. No, well done.
Sorry, can I ask a question here?
Yes.
Brother Ibrahim, I mean, in English, we use the noun first and the verb comes after, like Hamid left the room, for example. So in Arabic, I'm not saying like we put the noun first and, sorry, the verb first and then the noun comes. So is that a rule in Arabic, or we can do like Hamidun kharaja min al-ghurfati? Would that be correct in Arabic, or would it be wrong?
The more I try and avoid the vast depths of the Arabic oceans, I'm being pulled in more and more by, mashallah, more curious students. Alhamdulillah.
Now,
So
if you don't want to discuss it now, it's fine. It's just
no,
another.
I'll discuss. I will discuss, but I will avoid. I will just mention the finer details, just for general knowledge, inshallah. I want the questions to come through because it's good. If one person asks, it gives exposure to all the other people, because it's not just about developing skill, it's about developing knowledge, because essentially if you have the knowledge, the application will be correct as well. So you have two types of sentences in Arabic. There are other types. You have some which are jumla ismiya, nouns which begin with sentences which begin with nouns. Then you have jumla fi'liya. You have those sentences which begin with verbs. Now, the more we study through Madinah Arabic, what you will learn to appreciate is the positions of the nouns and the verbs will interchange quite a lot. Okay, so this will happen, and the translation they give, there will be slight changes as well. So just for now, I'll just leave it there that there are two types of sentences. There are other types, but for now we'll leave it at that there are jumla ismiya, which is those sentences that start with a noun, and jumla fi'liya, those sentences which start with a fi'l, a verb. And then their positions will interchange and their meanings will be translated accordingly as well, inshallah. So I hope that answers the question for the time being, inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I've left Sister Zainab out a few times, so please go ahead, Sister Zainab, for the last sentence. Thank you.
Man kharaja min al-fasli.
I'll give you a big clue. Look at the last letter at the end. There's a question mark at the end, isn't it?
Classroom.
So it's a question.
Fasli. Fasli means classroom, I guess.
Yes. Start with man. What is man?
Who?
That's right. So who? And then kharaja.
Went.
Oh yeah, or left. Then min.
Again min. I don't know.
Min is like from, yeah?
From,
so,
yeah.
So can you put that, translate again? Now you got the words.
Who? I don't know. Who went?
Who left? Yeah, who left?
Who left from classroom?
Yeah, exactly that.
Don't forget al-fasli. So who left from the classroom, because we're talking about specific. So for the time being, dear students, what I want you to just focus on is just translation word for word. Okay, constructive translation will come to later, where you'll make a more finer translation or meaning. But for now, what is important is to identify the meanings and construct the sentences accordingly. So you're making steady progress, and you'll feel you're making steady progress. Otherwise, if you try and play puzzles, it's going to be a very long journey. So may Allah make it easy for us. Right, we've got a couple of more sentences.
Okay, so now we go back to the top of the list. Let's go back to Sister Friyal. Would I try the next line?
Okay. خرج الطالب من المدرسة المدرسة وذهب إلى السوق. Okay, خرج الطالب. The student went, but خرج, the student went from the school, or the student has gone out? No, come out of something. The kharaja. So the student has come out from the school, and he went to the shop or market.
Market, the souk, yeah, very famous word, yeah, souk.
Yeah, especially when you go to Dubai and you go to the souk to buy gold.
Yeah, that's right. So just let's go through that one more time. That's quite an important sentence there, right? So can you just read that slowly for the benefit of the other students, and please translate each word as you're going along.
Kharaja, he went out. You know, he left. Kharaja talibu, the student went. No, the student has gone out. Minal madrasati, from the school. Was zahaba, and he went ila suki, to the market.
Great, mashallah, well done. Okay, so fantastic, thank you very much. Sister Kashmira, this is another challenging sentence, but I'm sure you'll get through that word by word. Take your time, right?
Khadijatu minas sini wa Khalidun minal yabani. Khadijatu is a name from Sin, and Khalid from Al-Yabani. Al-Yabani. Al-Yabani.
Yeah. Do you know what Al-Yabani is?
No.
Like Japan.
Japan,
Japan.
okay.
Yeah.
So,
mashallah, very good.
What about us? What about us seen, sister? What's us seen?
China.
China, yeah.
Subhanallah.
Yeah.